Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We are doing a 4th time revision of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology, and this time we are doing it unit wise, and today we are going to discuss 15 MCQs from the unit that you're seeing on your screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. In which of the following mammals estrus cycle is absent? In which of the following mammals estrus cycle is absent? Option A, cow. Option B, horse. Option C, monkey. Or option D, rabbit. The correct answer is option C. In monkeys, estrus cycle is not seen. Question number 2. Genetic identity of a human male is determined by option A, autosomes. Option B, nucleolus. Option C, cell organelles. Or option D, sex chromosomes. Genetic identity of human male is determined by. The correct answer is option D, that is sex chromosomes. So what does the genetic makeup of a human male? Right, 44 plus XY chromosomes, and for human female it is 44 plus XX chromosome. So this sex chromosome, whether it's Y or X, is determining whether the fetus will develop into male or female. Question 3. Contraceptive pills does not, option A, engulf the sperm. Option B, alter the quality of cervical mucus. Option C, prevent the entry of sperm. Or option D, inhibit implantation. Contraceptive pills does not. The correct answer is option A. It does not engulf the sperm. Question 4. Functional megaspore develops after 3 successive division into. Functional megaspore after 3 successive divisions develops into embryo, ovule, zygote, or embryo sac. The correct answer is option D, that is embryo sac. Question number 5. Action of jellies and creams is spermicidal and immobilizing the sperm, entangles the sperm, prevents ova from getting released, enables sperm to reach ova faster. Action of jellies and creams is. Correct answer is option A. These are spermicidal and help in immobilizing the sperm. Question number 6. Failure of descending testis into scrotum is known as impotence, cryptorchidism, castration, or pedogenesis. Failure of descending testis into the scrotum is known as. Correct answer is option B, cryptorchidism. Question 7. Secondary oocyte is not present in. Secondary oocyte is not present in. Option A, secondary follicle. Option B, tertiary follicle. Option C, Graafian follicle. Or option D, none of these. Secondary oocyte is not present in. The correct answer is option A, secondary follicle. Secondary follicle contains primary oocyte. Primary follicle and secondary follicle contain the primary oocyte. Now when the secondary follicle develops into tertiary follicle, the primary oocyte changes to secondary oocyte by undergoing the meiotic division, right? So secondary follicle doesn't contain secondary oocyte. Question 8. Endosperm is formed during double fertilization by fusion of ovum and male gamete, two polar nuclei and one male gamete, one polar nuclei and one male gamete, or two polar nuclei and two male gametes. Endosperm is formed during double fertilization by. The correct answer is option B, that is two polar nuclei and one male gamete, and this even answers the previous question since there are two polar nuclei, that is 2n, and one male gamete, that is n, so the fusion results in 3n. Question 9. Which of the following organism reproduces by multiple fission? Option A, Euglena. Option B, Paramecium. Option C, Trypanosoma. Or option D, Plasmodium. Which of the following organism reproduces by multiple fission? The correct answer is option D, Plasmodium, which is the malarial parasite, reproduces by multiple fission. Question 10. In vitro fertilization technique results in formation of zygote or early embryo. Where is this transferred to? In vitro fertilization technique, zygote or early embryo up to 8 blastomeres is transferred into uterus, vagina, cervical canal, or fallopian tube. The correct answer is option D. Up to 8 blastomeres, it is transferred to fallopian tube. Question number 11. Total number of chromosomes in a gamete of housefly is? Option A 6, option B 4, option C 12, or option D 16. Total number of chromosomes in gamete of a housefly. Correct answer is option A, that is 6 chromosomes. Question number 12. Before dehiscence of anther, middle layer enlarges, endothecium develops fibrous thickening, tapetum develops fibrous thickening, epidermis degenerates. What happens before the dehiscence of anther? Correct answer is option B, endothecium develops fibrous thickening. Question number 13. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as pregnancies terminated due to hormonal imbalance, pregnancies with genetic abnormalities, implantation of embryo at site other than uterus, implantation of defective embryo in the uterus. Ectopic pregnancy refers to. The correct answer is option C. It refers to implantation of embryo at site other than the uterus. Question number 14. Mark the incorrect statement. LH concentration is highest at ovulation time. Ovulation in human female occurs around day 14th. Graafian follicle is transformed into corpus albicans. Oral contraceptives contain progesterone. Out of these 4 statements, one statement is incorrect. You have to mark which one is incorrect. Correct answer is option C is incorrect. Graafian follicle is transformed into corpus luteum and not corpus albicans. Question number 15. Which hormone is secreted in a woman if pregnancy has occurred? Estrogen, progesterone, luteinizing hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin. Hormone secreted if pregnancy has occurred. The correct answer is option D, human chorionic gonadotropin. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next unit of NCERT biology. So read all the chapters of next unit and attempt the tomorrow's MCQ session. So that would be all for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.